Yeah, I'm watching the rise, and I wouldn't say I'm shocked, cause I'm hardly surprised. This one's for the ride, this one's for who knew I'd make it, just needed some.
So we're on our way to get this open house set up, and before we do that, we're gonna have a little bit of fun, and there's probably nothing more exciting than cars and coffee on a Saturday morning. So we're gonna drop in there, check out some cool cars, have some coffee and donuts, and then on to one more stop before we go get this house sold.
Let's have a toast to that. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real.
I was following this guy on the freeway on the way here. It's like old school gangster cars right here. That's beautiful. This thing is so gorgeous. That's probably the prettiest car I've ever seen. Alright, so we've seen a lot of cars. Now it's time to get some coffee, yeah? So before we head out to check out some animals, there's this little hidden gem where we're gonna meet our friends, Tori and Heather, over at Hidden House Coffee. So they've got some special treats there for us, so we're gonna check it out. All right, here we are, Hidden House Coffee. Hey guys.
Hey!
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
You guys ready to go to the zoo?
Yeah! The zoo!
Let's go ahead and head on over to the house, and I'm gonna try to snag a guinea pig on my way out. Okay, we're here at 31502 Paseo Campeon in San Juan Capistrano. Let's go ahead and have a look. See if anyone's home. All right, we made it. It's a beautiful entryway. As you can see, we've got murals all across the entire staircase. We've got hanging chandeliers. Let's go ahead and take a look at the downstairs first, and then we'll work our way up to the bedrooms. So this actually used to be an extra bedroom, which they converted into the office. Beautiful Venetian plaster all throughout. We've got fireplaces, and then it's got its own private bathroom as well. Let's go ahead and walk into the dining area. Just this shot right here is beautiful. We've got, it's overwhelming. All of this is Italian inspired. Obviously you can tell. And then as we come into the dining room, we've got beautiful hutch, which you can even do a bar setup in here potentially. We've got double French doors opening up to the outside as well with our patio area. Beautifully customized kitchen, stainless steel. This is all restaurant style appliances. This stuff is sturdy. We've got dual dishwashers right here, dual ovens. We've got a Wolfe stove, cooktop or range. We've even got the griddle here. Fans up above, food warmer down here, stainless steel microwave. Huge fridge. So if you're into entertaining, this is definitely the kitchen for it. You've got tons of seating. We'll check out the seating outside in a moment, but I just want you to get a look at the living room as well. Beautiful fireplace. We've got another hutch. We've got another half bath right here. Everything fully customized. You can see the Venetian plaster. This stuff takes so long to get in, and they did such an amazing job with it. The barbecue area, there's actually a lot of hidden gems in here that I'm going to show you in a second. So obviously you can do bar stools all the way across. And then back in here, we've got, you wouldn't think it looking at it, but you've got refrigerators right here. You can put your wine, your beer, broilers, more cooktops, huge barbecue, storage, and then you've got your sinks if you need to clean up after. And then as we make our way over to this side as well, one thing I want to point out is if you do have pets, these are guards all the way across. So these little holes right here, there's fencing that you can put to protect your pets or children from being able to fall into the pool. So this is one of the guest rooms right here, completely cut off from the rest of the house. Got windows, light coming in everywhere, and then you've got your own bathroom with shower, everything you need. So if you're moving grandma in, or you got the kids back from college, you put them here, you're never gonna hear from them. So right here, we've got another guest room. You got full closet, its own bathroom, fully set up, separate from this side of the house. Now we've got our third guest room, its own bathroom. This one actually has its own little Juliet balcony as well. It's protected. You've got cast iron right here. You can also say hello to whoever's hanging out in the entertainment room. So here we are. This is the master bedroom. It's got a beautiful fireplace. Overlooks the pool as well. So if you want to check on the kids or the dogs, whichever, you can see them running out there, say hello to the neighbors. Now we've got, this is, if you like to shop, you've got plenty of space in the master closet. His, or hers, his, so you've got his side right here, just a few things, and then she gets the entire rest of the closet. So we know how it goes. Next, we're gonna go ahead and make our way to the master bathroom. So you've got his and her robes, huge shower. It's got jets on both sides coming down. And then soaking tub, tons of jets coming in here, absolutely beautiful. Granite countertops. And then if you need to do your makeup, you've got your whole setup right here, away from everything, so you don't have to scatter it all over the counter. But if you do need to use this counter space, you can always put your husband over to that side so he can get ready there. You've got your whole setup to get ready here. Then you've got your own private bathroom as well. And that about sums it up. So if you like this home, go ahead and submit an offer. This thing's gonna move very quickly. I think it's a little gem that's out here in San Juan. So we'll see how the open house goes. Get this thing sold.